I first opened my Shopify store, I just kind of stared at the screen like, cool, what now? But once I listed my first product, everything started to click. I see the same thing happen to tons of beginners as well. So once you get your first product listed, the whole process just makes sense. In the next 30 seconds, I'm going to show you exactly how to list your first product. It's actually way easier than you think. Step 1, open Shopify. Step 2, click on add product. Step 3, paste in your product title and description. But wait, what if you don't even have a title or description yet? Don't worry for now, because in just a bit, I'm going to show you how to actually generate a high converting title and description using AI. So your product listing is fully optimized to actually sell, and we'll also talk about how to find the best products to list in the first place. When I started, I overcomplicated everything. I thought my product description needed to sound like some fancy brand, but honestly, customers just want to know what it is, why do they need it, and how can they get it fast. So start simple, enter your product title clear and straightforward. Upload high quality images. Don't upload some blurry screenshot from Google Images. Then write a product description that focuses on the benefit for the customer. You're not writing a novel. You're helping them make a quick buying decision. A little pro tip to help find that title and description: if you don't already know what to add, you can always look at your competitor's description or title and just change it with ChatGPT to spark some ideas. And since AI is changing the game on some of the tools to use when dropshipping, you can use something like Sora, which will allow you to generate high quality images with your products in any way you want. Now, technically, you can keep adding products manually like this, but after 3 or 4 products, you start questioning your life choices. This is why I recommend using AutoDS. It's the tool I was talking about earlier. So let me show you how it works, because this will literally save you hours. Step 1, sign up for AutoDS. I'll drop the link below so you can get your first month for free to test it out. Once you're inside, you'll land on the AutoDS dashboard. Step 2, connect your Shopify store. Click on the AutoDS logo, hit add store, and you'll be walked through connecting your existing Shopify store. If you don't already have a store yet, they have an AI store builder option. But assuming you've already built your store, go ahead and just link it up. Step 3, install the app when prompted through Shopify's app store. Just follow the prompts. You can't mess this up, even if you tried. Step 4, now the fun part. Product research inside AutoDS. So click on the marketplace and check out the handpicked section. These products already been vetted, and you can see everything from product costs, shipping time, supplier info, even add examples. Step 5, once you find a product you like, hover over it, click import, and it moves into your drafts. From there, click import again to push it live directly to your Shopify store. Step 6, once it's in your Shopify, customize your product title, tweak the description if you want, adjust the pricing, and make sure your profit margins make sense. Also, check your variants and shipping options. This takes a few minutes compared to the hour-long manual process. Now, once you finally got your product in your store, there's one problem that most beginners run straight into: how to actually get traffic and make sales. In my previous video, I actually break down the full guide on exactly how to start getting real customers to your store, even if you've never run ads before. And if you want more breakdowns like this, where most people mess up, then make sure to drop a like. The first product is always the biggest hurdle, but once you get it listed, you start learning by doing. And believe me that the first sale notification just hits different. So be sure to get your first product up, let the data teach you, and keep moving. And like always, this is Julian from Supreme Ecom, and I'll see you in the next one.